the heart-healthy benefits of mangoes for postmenopausal women. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting research about how mangoes could be a game-changer for postmenopausal heart health. As many women enter postmenopause, which typically occurs between the ages of 45 and 55, they may not realize that their risk for certain health conditions, notably heart disease, increases. This hormonal shift can result in higher blood pressure and cholesterol levels, putting women at greater risk for cardiovascular issues. But here's where the delicious mango comes into play. A recent study found that eating 2 servings of mangoes daily can significantly support heart health in postmenopausal women. Researchers discovered that mangoes can lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels. In just 2 weeks of daily consumption, participants saw a drop of about 6 points in systolic blood pressure and a 13-point reduction in LDL cholesterol. The study involved 24 women aged 50 to 70, all of whom were overweight or obese. Each day, participants consumed around 1.5 cups of mangoes, and their health metrics, including blood pressure and cholesterol levels, were monitored. Dr. Robert M. Hackman from UC Davis states, even small reductions in blood pressure and cholesterol can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke over time. Mangoes also have a positive impact on blood sugar. In a follow-up study comparing the effects of mangoes and plain white bread, participants experienced significantly less blood sugar increase after eating mangoes. This is crucial, as high blood sugar levels can lead to insulin resistance. With fiber and bioactive compounds, mangoes can help manage blood sugar effectively. So, how can you easily add more mangoes to your diet? Here are 4 quick ideas from registered dietitian Monique Richard. Toss mango pieces into salads, fruit bowls, or even pasta dishes. Blend them into your morning smoothies. Puree mango for vibrant dressings or freeze them for tasty frozen treats. Use mango in salsas, atop yogurt, or as a healthy snack alongside nuts. Remember, mangoes are not just delicious. They are the king of fruits, packed with nutrients that are beneficial for heart health. So, if you want to support your heart health in postmenopause, consider adding 2 servings of mangoes to your daily routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Enjoy the sweetness of health with mangoes.